Hannah from Oscha Slings, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Bairn Carrier in a front carry using the chest strap for extra support on your back. So this is our Bairn Carrier here, and it's super simple and lightweight. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to prepare the carrier before we put baby in. So first of all, I will show you that I've attached the chest strap to the two padded sections here. Now the first time you use the carrier, you may want to size this. So the first time you put it on, you'll want to just put it on, get somebody else to just help you tighten it at the back and help to position these into a really nice comfortable position just under the shoulder there, just under your armpit. And then you'll be aware of where you should position them for the future, and you'll get the most comfort out of it. So I've positioned mine quite near the end of the padded sections up here, and I've got it about this width apart, so you can see that there. Okay, now the second thing to do is to organise the width of the panel. So we just use the sliding cinch, like so, along each side. So the carrier has been designed to go from newborn all the way till about 2 years old. So you can just bring in the width to match your baby's age and size. So my doll is about 3 months old here, so I'm just going to bring the width in to about hip distance apart so that you get a really nice knee-to-knee position. And then I'm just going to flip the waistband here and bring it in right under the bust line, and I'm going to just snap each side, and you can use both sides to tighten. And you want it to be quite high up on your chest or on your torso so that you can position baby's bottom about here. Now the next thing to do is to clip it up while you have it on. So this is the best way, just to make sure you've got no twisting. So you'll notice here I've undone the clips, so I've taken the clips off, and I'm just going to clip them up here, and you can see there's no twisting there at all, so you've got a nice continuous loop to your buckle from your strap. And I'll do the same on the other side. Like so. And the next thing to mention is that I've loosened this off quite far, so you want to be able to hold that right out in front of you, and to be honest I would go a little bit more than that as well. You can't really have it too open. So there we go. And now we're ready to position baby into the carrier. So I have my baby, and I'm going to just position their bottom about here on the carrier so that you can make almost like a hammock around. So we've got fabric, the body panel going here, all the way around, sitting their bottom in. And I'm just going to make sure that I've got it at the right height for the size. So you want the top of the panel to come to about here, so I'm thinking I'm going to just need to lower her a little bit. And then I can see that top part is going to sit just at the nape of her neck, which is perfect. So once you've done that, just need to tighten that a little bit more at the back. And then we're ready to grab the chest strap that you've already clipped, and it's going to go over both of your heads. So just double check that you've got both sides in knee to knee, ready to go. And then you're holding with one hand under the bottom, you're taking the other one and it's going over both of your heads, just like so. And then you can organise it. So then we're going to bring my hand right through here, bring the chest strap over, and again it's going to go through this hole here. And all the while I've got my hand under baby's bottom, making sure that she's nice and secure. And then I'm ready to tighten those straps. So I'm going to come round, and you can see the slack there. Now you need to put back in an upward motion like so. And if you're finding that a little bit tricky, there's a couple of tips. You can either bring your hand in and push your arm back, like so. So that's one way of doing it. Or if you prefer, you can even reach around, find that extra piece of webbing, and you can pull from the opposite side. Now it's always easier to be lifting under bottom a little bit when you're doing your tightening, so I'm going to lift under and I'm going to just pull that up. And the other tip is to make sure that you're bringing your slack round to your buckle and then pulling it, and that way it won't pull from here. It will make sure that your straps are the ones that are getting nice and tight. Like so. And then I'm just going to double check that everything is comfortable for me and the baby. So you may want to bring these in a little bit, and if you do, then again that's where I suggest you can either give them a wee tweak like so, or you can organise those before you put baby in. So that's the Bairn Carrier in the front carry with the chest strap back at the back for support. So now I'm just going to double check my safety elements. So first of all is to check that the airways are clear and that baby's breathing normally. So you can just make any tweaks that you need to make for that. And then you want to make sure that everything, all the exercise fabric is into the knee pit and they've got a lovely deep position. So you can do a little pelvic tilt, get your hands in, bring their bottom over and sit them down like that. Now if you wish, you can put the hood away, you can roll it up like so, and you can tie it around here if you like, or you can put it halfway and tie it round as well. And if you want to use the hood, we suggest just tying one side up round using the loops there, and you just keep one side open at all times for baby to make sure that their airways are nice and clear, so that can support sleeping baby's head as well. Alright, so to take the carrier off, then all you need to do is just put one hand under baby's bottom, one clip and the other clip at this side, or alternatively you can reach around and under your chest clip and it goes from each side. Like so. Okay, that's the video for today, and if you have any other questions, please do join Clan Oscha on Facebook, or you can email us at info@oschaslings.com. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.